Welcome back, everyone. Well, this is the second video with the Harbor Freight Central Pneumatic 5 horsepower replacement compressor pump. This video we're doing some tear down, some cleanup, a little bit of paint. The audio on this video is going to be a bit suspect. I put my handy little microphone someplace so I would not lose it. So it's lost. Disassemble. Carefully pull off the tube for the unloader, salvage, and keep all of this stuff. So we don't need this pulley anymore because we're going to switch out to a double belt pulley, and this puller is a cheap POS. I bought it at one of those magic traveling tool shows that used to show up at armories and civic centers around the country. Pulley is off. So this thing had so much oil blow by coming out the breather, I tried doing a halfway repair, adding an extender tube. Yeah, there's no nuts on the other side of these bolts. They're just a coarse thread that thread themselves into the plate that the pump is on. So I've got all 4 bolts out. We'll try and get the check valve out. There's the old check valve. All the wires. The motor. Well, now just a little cleanup. So I originally had hoped to just bolt this guy to the original plate work that's on top of the tank. And then when I got the new check valve, the intake check valve, I realized that this is awfully damn closed. So, added that guy. The extension I added is round about 4 inches and made from metals salvaged from a Craftmatic adjustable bed. We got a new double pulley for the motor. Make that thing spin at the correct speed, you need 4 1/4 inches. This guy is a touch shy of 4. I figured I don't know if this motor is really a 5 horse. So we're going to underdrive it just a touch. I got this from Amazon. We'll put an Amazon link if you figure this is right for you. 5/8 shaft, 5/32 Allen wrench tightens this guy up real nice. I'm just going to have that flush with the end of the shaft. The electric motor is bolted down. line everything up nicely. Sharpie. Tank is all cleaned up. We got the touch-up painting done. That's it for video number 2. Stay tuned for video number 3. We will be doing the final assembly. Thanks for watching. Like, follow, subscribe, ring bells, and bring great joy to the world.